I like to center my object, so I'll move my laser head to the exact center of the tape, and then I like to remove the tape and engrave. A big thing was to set the origin so that your laser doesn't go outside of the box. Here we're just using a homemade spline jig on the table saw. I'm cutting 2 splines in each corner. The splines actually strengthen the miter joint because by itself a miter joint without any other support is a weak joint. Here I'm just making the shims for the splines, I'm sanding those down, and I use the glue here, keeps everything clean on the wood. So I just put a little glue in there, let it set down or sink down, and then push the spline in. Next day, I'll come in and cut these off and then sand everything, and it's ready for finish. Let me know what you think. This turned out pretty well. It's my first time laser cutting the handles. Let me know and I'll send you a file with the handles.